Hey everyone, and welcome back to Natty Tech Insights. Ever feel like the internet's best learning tools are hidden in plain sight? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 5 incredible websites that are quietly revolutionizing how we learn science and tech. These are the secret weapons for students, educators, and the perpetually curious. If you're ready to level up your skills, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a future insight. Let's jump in. Website number 1, Science Kids. This is your ultimate playground for interactive science. Think hands-on experiments, engaging quizzes, and fun games covering everything from biology to basic engineering. Why it's a hidden gem? Many people stumble upon it, but don't realize the sheer depth of its resource pool. It's a treasure trove specifically tailored for pre-K to 8th grade. Get your hands dirty. You can run a virtual volcano simulation, download the full experiment sheet, and then recreate the magic at home or in the classroom. Or how about discovering the science behind floating eggs? It's all about making learning tactile and fun. Now, let's experiment for a few minutes. Let's try one experiment here, floating egg. In this lesson, we'll explore an exciting and simple demonstration that reveals one of the key principles of physics, density. You'll see how changing the density of water can make an ordinary egg float. This hands-on activity is a great way to understand buoyancy and the behavior of liquids with different densities. Materials needed. To perform this experiment, you'll need 1 fresh egg, clean water, table salt, approximately 6 tablespoons, a tall, clear drinking glass or jar, a spoon for stirring. Here is the procedure. Prepare the glass. Pour water into the glass until it is about halfway full. Add salt. Stir in approximately 6 tablespoons of salt. Mix thoroughly until the salt is completely dissolved. This creates salt water, which is denser than plain water. Add plain water carefully. Slowly and carefully pour plain, unsalted, water into the glass until it is nearly full. Pour the water gently down the side of the glass or over the back of a spoon to prevent the 2 layers from mixing. Add the egg. Gently lower the egg into the glass and observe what happens. Observation. As the egg moves through the liquid, you'll notice it first sinks through the plain water layer and then stops, floating midway in the glass. This fascinating effect happens because the lower layer, salt water, is denser than the upper layer, plain water. Scientific explanation. This experiment demonstrates density, which refers to how much mass is contained in a given volume of a substance. Plain water has a lower density, allowing the egg to sink. Salt water has a higher density because the dissolved salt adds more mass to the same volume of water. When the egg reaches the saltwater layer, the upward buoyant force equals its weight, causing it to float. If you poured carefully enough, the 2 layers remain separate, allowing the egg to appear as if it's floating in the middle of the glass, an excellent visual representation of density differences. This simple yet powerful experiment helps us understand how density and buoyancy work in real life. The same principle explains why objects float more easily in the ocean than in a freshwater lake, and why large ships can float despite being made of heavy matter. Eels. Now that you've seen how density affects floating and sinking, try experimenting with different amounts of salt and observe how it changes the egg's behavior. Website number 2, Understanding Science. This site does something brilliant. It doesn't just teach you science facts, it teaches you how science works. It's built to sharpen your critical thinking and show you the process of discovery. Why it's underrated. Most of us are trained to memorize results, but we skip the essential how and why behind the scientific method. This site fills that crucial gap. Put it into practice. Use their interactive flowcharts to demystify complex processes like peer review or hypothesis testing. It's the foundation every budding scientist needs. Website number 3, Science Buddies. Stuck for a project idea? Look no further. Science Buddies is a massive library of real-world STEM challenges, complete with step-by-step guides. Why it's amazing, it cuts through the noise. Instead of generic tutorials, you get curated, ready-to-roll projects complete with material lists, difficulty levels, and variables to test. Your mission: dive into their materials science section, pick an experiment, and follow the guide to create a mini report that will impress your entire class. Website number 4, Khan Academy. You've probably heard of it for math, but its science and tech library is a powerhouse in its own right. It offers a complete, structured curriculum through free, high-quality video lessons. Why it's often overlooked. Its reputation for math often overshadows its equally robust courses in physics, computing, biology, and more. Pro tip: solidify your fundamentals with their physics, electricity, and magnetism series. That strong foundation is exactly what you need before tackling more advanced tech projects. Website number 5, Discovery Education. This is a digital learning platform packed with high-quality content. We're talking interactive modules, virtual field trips, and deep dive resources that bring complex topics to life. Why it's a powerhouse. It's ideal for educators and advanced learners who want to go beyond the basics. The production value and depth of content are exceptional. Experience it. Try one of their immersive virtual field trips or explore a module pack on a topic you're passionate about. Then, integrate those insights into your self-study or a standout class presentation. And there you have it. 5 seriously powerful websites to supercharge your learning journey. Whether you're acing a school project, leading a classroom, or just feeding your curiosity, these tools will help you learn smarter and with more excitement. So, tell me in the comments, which one are you going to check out first? If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, share this with a friend who loves to learn, and subscribe for more tech insights every week. The link of each website are in the description, and I'll also pin them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.